Alright, good to see you. My name is Curly Keeper, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out a new speed cube. This here is the MGC Elite. It was released about 1 or 2 years ago, but I'm still excited to see how it performs. Let's get into it. So getting into specs, it's about 55.5mm in size and weighs 86 grams and comes in black and stickerless. I believe the one I got was the stickered version. I really like how the packaging is, and here we are. It looks, wow, it looks beauteous. It looks absolutely slick. Okay, right, there we go. Alright. You have the accessories packet, and you have the 3x3 itself. Oh my god, it just looks so beautiful on camera. Like, wow. So we got an adjustment tool and spare magnets, which is pretty cool. A pamphlet for how to solve a cube. This could be handy for non-cubers. And lastly, we have this adjustment pamphlet. So let's get into the main attraction, which is this beauty. And wow, a bit of ASMR right there. So holding it in my hands, it feels kind of heavy, but it's so premium, I have to say. And the stickers feel, oh, pretty nice. The sticker placement, I think it's all right. So checking out the shades, green looks beautiful, yellow looks slick, blue looks really well contrasting with the others. White as well, white. Red reminds me a lot of the Chi Thunderclap for some reason, and blue reminds you a lot of the Yushao. So, okay. Testing out the tensions, it feels pretty tight, I have to say. The corners have primary plastic, but the edges don't, but that's okay. So let's skip to the part where the people actually care about. Let's get into the first turns. Oh, good. The magnets feel a bit, not very strong, but good to pass the algorithms. I have to say the cube feels very sandy out of the box, but not slow in any way. So spamming algorithms feels very effortless to do. It feels a bit clicky too. Corner cutting, good as always. 45. Whoa, not bad. Reverse corner cutting is, wow. Okay, not bad. Well, little, just about line to line, no, a little bit before line to line. So my quick assessment on this cube is that it feels a bit clicky and very sandy, but yet smooth and fast. Regarding speed, it's not that fast out of the box like I was expecting, but I'm happy for that. It's not very fast, but not very slow. So it's right in the middle. So without further ado, let's give it a little bit of a test drive. Alright. And wow, that was a very smooth sole, and I like that in the 3x3 that comes out of the box. It was very smooth and very tactile. Yep, this is my kind of 3x3, guys. So comparing this cube to the Gun 11, I have to say this feels a bit more premium in my hands and a bit more stable. It feels pretty simple. I can't believe the GAN. Oh my god, cubes can get jealous these days. I'm sorry, I loosened it on purpose. This one has lighter turning, but it's more heavy. One thing about the MGC Elite is that it has a spring compression system that you can tension with your hand. We also have a magnet adjustment that we can alter with a screwdriver in the box. All in all, this is basically like a cheaper version of a cube like, say, a GAN XS. I'm gonna have to set up this cube and see how it performs after that. But first impressions, this is really impressive. I would not be surprised if this became a new main. It's very fast and very smooth, yet very stable. So it ticks all the boxes of a good flagship 3x3. And I wish I got this cube sooner. So if you want to buy this cube, I'll leave a link in the description. And I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.